Hello kids. Today what we are going to study? What is this? Which alphabet is this? T. है ना? Today we are going to study again our fun with English book. Okay? Page number 58. T sound story. What is the phonic sound of T? T. T. है ना? T. Telephone. T. Table. T. Toothpaste. Okay? Now let's start the story. First I will write this small letter T in capital letter, sleeping line, and from the middle straight line. What is this? This is capital T. And what is the phonic sound? T. Okay? Now it was morning time. देखो, it was morning time. And Tony. Who is Tony? The name of this boy. The name of this boy, Tony, was playing with toy, train. Okay. Tony was playing with a toy train. है ना? And his pet, tortoise. Whose pet is this? Tony's pet. Okay. Tortoise. His pet, okay, was going out, है ना? वो घर के बाहर जा रहा था. T2 was putting toothpaste on the toothbrush. What is the name of this man? T2. What T2 was doing? T2 was putting toothpaste, toothpaste in his टूथब्रश. देखो, वो टूथब्रश में क्या कर रहा था? टूथब्रश में टूथपेस्ट लगा रहा था. ओके, कौन लगा रहा था? T2. Who was putting? T2. T2. Okay. Suddenly the telephone. What is this? telephone. What is this? telephone. है ना? Start ringing. Okay. When T2 turned to pick up the telephone. What happened? जब फोन की रिंग बजी, टेलीफोन की बेल रिंग हुई, तो T2 ने क्या किया? वो मुड़कर देखा. तो उसने क्या देखा? उसने देखा, he saw his sister Tina. Tina. Who is she? She is Tina. Running toward the house. अपने घर के तरफ दौड़ कर आ रही थी. क्यों? Because a big tiger had come from behind a tree. Tree. Behind a tree. Okay? And was running after her. टीना के पीछे दौड़ने लगा. Tina threw her torch. Torch. Okay. And toffee. Toffee on the tiger. है ना? तो children, what we have learned from this story? T sound word. Okay. T sound word. Okay. And we have learned various various action words. What are those? Playing. Tony was playing with toy train. है ना? In this way we have learned Tina was running. What Tina was doing? Tina was running. And T2 was putting his toothpaste on his toothbrush. Okay. So children, in this way we have learned various things from T sound letter. And what is this? This is table. Okay. In this way children learn T sound words. Okay.